Hey wealth builders, welcome back to Wealth Sync, where your money works harder than you do. I lost everything in my first year of investing. My portfolio didn't just dip, it completely evaporated. I chased after the latest trends, ignored fundamental principles, and let my emotions steer me straight into financial ruin. Thousands of dollars, gone in the blink of an eye. It felt like a sucker punch to the gut. But you know what? That disaster turned out to be the most expensive and most valuable lesson I've ever learned. In this video, I'm going to share the 5 crucial mistakes I made so you don't have to repeat my painful journey. My downfall began with what everyone called a can't-miss opportunity. Social media was buzzing about this stock that was supposedly the next big thing. I was drowning in FOMO. Here's the problem. I knew absolutely nothing about the company. What did they sell? How did they make money? I couldn't tell you. All I saw was that tantalizing green line on the chart, going up, up, up. So I jumped in, both feet, eyes closed. Lesson number 1. If you can't explain what a business does in simple terms, don't invest a dime in it. Real investing is about becoming a part owner in a business, not playing roulette with your savings. As the stock price climbed, I got greedy. I sold everything else in my portfolio and went all in on this one company. I was putting all my eggs in one very fragile basket. This is the danger of ignoring diversification. When that single pillar crumbles, and it will sooner or later, your entire financial structure comes crashing down with it. Smart investors spread their risk across hundreds of companies through index funds or ETFs. But I thought I knew better. When my stock eventually tumbled, I lost everything because I had nothing else to fall back on. Then came the morning I'll never forget. I woke up to see my prized stock had plummeted 15% overnight. Panic set in. My heart was racing, palms sweating. Without thinking, I hit the sell button, desperate to stop the bleeding. This knee-jerk reaction is a classic rookie mistake. Markets fluctuate. It's what they do. By panic selling at the first sign of trouble, I locked in my losses and missed out on any potential recovery. But I wasn't done making mistakes. Oh no, I was just getting started. Stung by my losses and desperate to get back to even, I dove headfirst into revenge trading. I started making riskier and riskier bets, trying to win it all back in one big score. It's a tale as old as the stock market itself. Chasing losses leads to even bigger losses. I was no longer investing. I was gambling, pure and simple. And the house always wins. The final nail in the coffin of my investing career, or so I thought at the time, was realizing I'd invested money I couldn't afford to lose. I had no emergency fund, no safety net. Every dollar I put into the market was money I needed for rent, food, and basic necessities. When it all went south, I wasn't just broke. I was in serious financial trouble. I learned the hard way that you should never invest scared money. Build your emergency fund first, then start investing with funds you can afford to have tied up for the long haul. Looking back, it's clear that my entire approach was flawed from the start. I had no discipline, no education, and no long-term perspective. I was treating the stock market like a get-rich-quick scheme instead of a tool for building wealth over time. But here's the thing. I'm grateful for that painful first year. It taught me more about investing and about myself than any book or course ever could. I learned the importance of doing thorough research, diversifying my portfolio, and staying calm during market turbulence. Most importantly, I learned that successful investing isn't about finding the next hot stock or timing the market perfectly. It's about patience, discipline, and a commitment to continuous learning. If you're just starting out on your investing journey, or if you've had some stumbles along the way, remember this. Every great investor has made mistakes. What separates the successful ones is their ability to learn from those mistakes and keep moving forward. So, are you ready to learn from my expensive lessons and start your investing journey on the right foot? Hit that like button, subscribe for more hard-earned financial wisdom, and drop a comment letting me know which of these mistakes resonates with you the most. Let's grow and learn together.